Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to Jerry Promo, your hub for exploring the most promising and user-friendly crypto projects. Today I am introducing something super lightweight, totally free to start and running directly on Telegram. Say hello to Joke in the Box and its native token Joke. So here is Joke in the Box. Before we get into the details of the Joke in the Box, I would suggest to all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Jerry Promo, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any update. Dear viewers, keep it in mind, this video is being made only for the information. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. Please do your own research before any investment decision. So let's jump into the details of the project that is Joke in the Box. So, dear viewers, Joke in the Box is a unique play-to-earn platform integrated inside Telegram. It's powered by the Joke token and offers daily rewards, quests, and real-world value without requiring upfront investment. From trading boards to NFT and airdrops in turn, this platform brings real utility to casual and pro users alike. So, in this video, I am going to explain what are the products of the Joke in the Box, what are the services being provided by this project, what are the rewards, and how can you get all these facilities, all these opportunities. So here we break down it. So dear viewers, here is a play to earn Telegram app, MEV copy and AI social bot on Telegram. You can play and you can earn crypto now, and here you can check our products, so you can see the detail of the products, your favorite AI tools on your social networks, enhance your social integrations and interactions with our AI tools for social networks, and earn points by completing various quests on our apps. Help Joke become the most influential master of social networks. You can play, you can earn and income. Play our Telegram app to earn various incomes from our bots, advertising, and more. Income is distributed regularly based on your points and completed quest. So here you can check the details, Joke MEV sandwich, and here you can check details that our MEV bot is designed to be one of the best on the market. Our developers and our mathematicians continue to improve it for optimal performance. It works on many decentralized exchanges and will be deploy it on multiple networks. The best meal of the jokers. So here you can check the services provided by the amazing project, and here you can check they are going to provide you MEV sandwich bot and copy sniping bot and AI bot, income share and deflationary and community. So these are the amazing services being provided by the Joke in the Box, and here you can check the rewards you can earn with Joke. Here you can check the regular airdrop. The reward given to your users will be regularly and will not affect the price of Joke token, as they will be in Ethereum, Ton, or any other cryptocurrencies. The income comes from our various bots, MEV, copy, trading, and sniper bots, as well as taxes on volume and advertising revenue. So here you can check, you can invite your friends, share your link from the Telegram app to invite your friends. This will allow you to earn more rewards, gain extra points, and unlock certain features or skills. It will also help make Joke go viral and grow our amazing community of jokers. So you can invite your friends. So dear viewers, here you can check Joke in the Box on CoinGecko platform. So here you can check its capitalization, Bozre, and here you can check its capitalization, evaluation, volume, and other details have been provided. So here you can check its price chart, and here you can check its contract address. You can copy it and you can make your trades. So here you can check the other details have been provided on CoinGecko. So dear viewers, here you can see the Joke token on the DEX tool. So here you can see that its market cap is going to be 322.08k, and here you can its liquidity is 72.9k, and its circulating supply is 573.03 billion. Holders number is 348, and here you can check total market cap is 436.72k, and here you can check its 24 over volume 392.63, and total supply is 777.0 billion, and volatility is 0.0053. So here you can check its part, so I think this is going to be showing some increase, and here you can check it is showing 0.01% increase. And I would suggest all my viewers to be part of this amazing platform. And here you can check that DAX score is showing 89.89 by 99 project reliability score based on 99 PT. So this is showing very good sign that it may increase its price. And here you can check contract verified and honeypot. So all the indications are showing that this joke token has a potential to go up and up, and it must be noticed. So, dear viewer, this is the Telegram community of the Joke in the Box, and I would suggest all my viewers to be part of this community to get complete daily quests like joining socials or inviting friends, earn points, and you can get amazing offers, and you can get amazing live updates, developers Q&As, raffle winners, airdrop news, and support from the growing community. Join, ask question, and become part of the Telegram community of the Joke in the Box. This is the official Twitter page of the Joke in the Box. I would suggest all my viewers to follow this page to get real-time updates, announcements, and latest news about the Joke in the Box project. So this is going to be a very amazing and very useful for you. So, dear viewers, this is the Joke in the Box Telegram bot. Here's your 3-step quick start. Click the Telegram link below to launch the game. No app install needed. Complete daily quests like joining socials or inviting friends. Earn points for income and start. And then you will have to connect your wallet and explore cheap NFTs to boost your earning. Everything runs inside Telegram. So, this is the process by which you can play the bot and grab the opportunities. So, dear viewer, this is the Joke in the Box official bot, and here you can check welcome to the Joke in the Box, play and win now, complete quest, earn points, boost your jokers, grow your passive income, collect your rewards in tone each month, immediate bonus. And here we are going to play it, and here you can check quest upgrades, my joke, friends and shops. So these are the amazing offers, and how to play and game rules, how to works, so all details have been provided. You can read out, card rules have been provided, you can find out these card rules. And here you can check the win rewards, victory, open cast, and other ranking up and energy. So these are the details you must read. So dear friends, here you can invite your friends. You and your friend will be receive bonus invite a friend, and for you and your friend there will be a 5.00k plus reward. Invite a friend with Telegram Premium 25.00k for you and your friend. List of your friends here you can check, and here you can invite friends. So there is a invite link have been provided. You can copy it and you can share it with your friends. So next segment is the quest daily completion bonus will be equal to plus 50k, and here you can check that 25 stars, complete 5 daily quests and streak x bonus over 1.0, activate 170. And here you can check daily share story on Telegram, ton daily check-in. The third one is the find one combo upgrades, and the fourth one is use joke in time on troll on Twitter admin X. And the next one is the play one round of joke duel, and its reward is 2.00k plus 1 star. And the next is share your affiliate link with a group or a friend, and its reward is 2.00k plus 2 stars. And here you can check the official YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media links, and you can join it, you can follow it, and you can subscribe these social media links to get real-time updates and announcements. So dear viewers, next section is the combo of the day. Here you can check time left is 20 hours, and here you can check accessory and skills and business. Here you can check the samurai bone, and it's 1.13k. Next is the pirate hat, and the next is the jester hat. So these are the amazing upgrades, and you can choose, you can select your own choice. So this is amazing. And here you can check that yield hour, and here you can check your points, and here you can check your gems, and you can check your crypto level. So next is the my joke, and here you can check that you can play this game, and you can make a battle. And here you can check this is the joker duel. You will have to fight, and it's being loading. So this is draw. and you can see that I have win. So here you can see that I have win a one round, and next is the I have selected red card. So here you can see that I have won 2 ones. You win and I have won 2 by 1. So here you can see that I have won 2 level, and here you can check that you won the game and well player champ and claim your victory. So now I will open the chest. Your mystery reward is ready. Here I will see my reward. So here you can see that I am going to tap to skip it, and you earned, I have won. So you can see, and the next amazing feature is the shop, and here you can see that you can check classic jokers and you can check its basic versions. You can also shop its premium features. So here you can see that its premium features have been also provided, and here its basic features have been provided. You can shop these and you can equip your classic joker, the original joker, with timeless triggers unlocked at level 1. Here you can check avatar, you can check your background, you can boost, and you can check offline boost and other boost. So these are available, you can check on your choice. So here you can check the boost rewards, other details have been provided. So this is amazing bot, and I would suggest all my viewers to be part of this amazing bot and enjoy the interesting gaming experience and enjoy the rewards. So dear viewers, Jock in the Box is not just another P2E project. It's frictionless and fun and rewarding, from ton airdrops to a deflationary joke token with real use cases. This might just be the simplest way to earn in Web3. So this is amazing project, and I would suggest to all my viewers, be part of this. Don't look back in 6 months thinking I should have joined earlier. The opportunity is now. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.